I get asked all the time, what is my favorite pan in my kitchen and what does someone need to always have in their kitchen? And my answer is always the same: cast iron skillet. Mine's a 12-inch, which is across here, 12-inch Lodge cast iron because I love them. They're heavy duty, they stay forever, and you'll pass them down to your grandchildren. I have to tell you, you can make anything in here. It'll fit a whole chicken, you can roast it, it goes from stovetop into your oven. My favorite salmon comes out of here with the skin, the crispiest skin you've ever seen. You could do cast iron skillet pizza in here. You can do a whole sweet rolls in here. You can do brownies, you can do cornbread. Anything can come out of your cast iron. And now I'm going to show you how to keep it good, clean, and ready for use anytime you want it in your kitchen. People are worried about the cleaning first and foremost. If they get something in there and it's stuck, I'm going to tell you something a little bit surprising. First, you want to try and scrape up all those bits. But if you can't get them up, guess what? You can use a little scrubby pad and even either kosher salt, coarse kosher salt as a scrubber, or, believe it or not, a little bit of dish soap. People are always saying, no, 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 no dish soap. Guess what? It's okay. Dish soap, a little scrubber, get all those bits up, and then what you're going to want to do, dry it off as well as you can. Put it on a flame on your stove because that heat then is going to dry the rest of that moisture out. To season these pans, you're going to want a high smoke point oil. That means the oil doesn't burn unless it gets super, super hot, over 500, 600 degrees. Those kinds of oils, safflower, corn oil like this Mazola, vegetable oils, a neutral high smoke point oil, a little bit on paper towel, and you wipe it all the way around, and that's how you store it. I know some come, they say pre-seasoned. Well, I think you still need to season them anyway before you start. Again, the same oil, a little light bit all the way around into a preheated 500-degree oven, upside down, believe it or not, for about an hour. That's going to put that nonstick coating on it. And the more you use that pan, and even the more you wash it, light dish soap, guys. But the more you wash it, the more you use it, the more nonstick it gets. It's the most amazing pan ever. And now I'm going to give you a secret. Preheat the pan before you put anything in it, unless you're making my salmon.